Yate. Doshinkonde Nano Yagi Hat 2016 Navajo 1 Lesson 5 Handle Verbs. Sad be benda chito hita ale na ye ale aha nil ishin atilna handle verbs. Ajugo sadigi adi jibata hil atole. Ado never zaja da halan kit nigi dani da hot نخاصلة نحجو كونكا عشان سو قد بداوي قد تشيل كبنا نيتين قد ايبان سي كيس ايدات ايان نخين كهل نكوهد تندي سابا خيليان دولي. This is the net language keepers. We are charged with something that is greater than ourselves, but it's a great thing to come be a part of, and that is to hang on to this language, a sacred language to the traditional folks, sacred language to all of us. All right, today's lesson, handle verbs, but we'll also keep our numbers and our colors, but then we add a few, and then we'll keep our friend chiji, and then the new word is yo, okay, yo, and colors, ado, ben. Let's see. Other A verbs we'll use bane, and then we're going to go down here and use either bana a, or bananit or banja. So if we're using one object, we use bana a. Two objects, bananit. Three objects, banja. So that pertains to beads, okay? So we'll use these terms the way it should be used, one or two or three or more, okay? So here goes, this is the first question. Chiji yo, and I'm going to use tlitsogi, is right here, so and use tlitso, but then iki, the one that is, okay? Chiji yo tlitsogi, Ashago, Bana, Banish, Ya, Banish, Ya. So, Bana, Ya. Okay, here we go again. Chiji yo Kitsogi, Ashago, Bana, Ya. In English, it would be you're giving one yellow bead to Chiji, right? Chiji yo tsogi ashago ban ya. And the answer is Chiji yo tsogi ashago banish. That means I give, okay? As you give, I give banish ah. Okay, do it one more time. Do a different color. Chiji yo sedete koto ejiki na kiko banishya. O chiji yo sedete koto ejiki na kiko banishnish. We'll practice that one. Another one is talking about ehegi, what kind? Okay, what kind meaning what color? I'll teach you another color, but right now we'll use this one. Okay, so chiji bama yo ehegi banija. All right, so I'm going to ask you three or more. Okay, chiji bama yo denelchi denelchiki banishja denelchiki, reddish pinkish color. Okay, let me do one more. Chiji b'may yo het ehegi ban Let's try that one. Ban 1. Chiji b'ma yo yagodot ejigi banish. All right, so that's how far we'll go today. Yeah, thanks. See you in class.